Okay, this is honeydew melon, and I'm going to give it all to the chicken. Let's see. A full honeydew melon. Big piece, alright. Big piece. Come over here. Come over here. They love it. This is the whole honeydew melon. They love it. So normally I feel bad about wasting food. This is a whole melon, but it's alright. You have to feed your babies. And the seeds will be growing if they don't eat. Let's see what happens. A whole melon. They are loving it. Well, I don't want to eat because it's not good for me. I'm not really wasting food because someone is eating it. Either it's a human or animal. Or even insects. It's not really a waste. Go back to Mother Nature. Go back to the land. It's like I'm cooking for the chickens. Whew. So much work, eh? Same like human baby. So much work. Human got more work though. They're right behind the phone, and I'm almost done. Almost done. Well, finish. A whole honeydew melon.